inches on this half, and then it repositions to do the other half. This is real close to a clamp. I remember it was at 11 and 53.
Yeah.
Now I gotta walk over to the screen, my easiest, safest bet, to see where it's gonna punch. It says 56 inches. 6 inches is the closest you can get, I believe. Put the clamp right in the middle. If it's 5, you're always gonna have an error.
Did you
So
set
I'm
that?
3 inches on the other side right now.
Can you set that as a minimum distance, like it's a default distance that you?
Well, we don't set it. The machine that was already
by
done
the
that way.
machine. Okay.
It doesn't want to mess with the clamps,
Right.
touching the clamps. That could get expensive.
Now, we're 6-inch centers, so it should have moved over to the other side of the clamp. It should say 50 inches
Same
now.
problem on the other side of the clamp.
Maybe the same as this clamp, when it gets by the 12 inches.
Yeah.
But after one piece, if you got 100, it's only going to ask you to one time to confirm it. Unless somebody messes with you, turn this button off, and you wonder why you got to check it each and every
Kind
time.
of like a program check then,
Yeah,
right?
correct.
Yeah. Cool.
And that clamp at 11, punching at 14 inches. Now we're punching 8. Punch 72, and the dog's going to come down and hold it. Hard to tell where it's going to punch because